Hi, I'm Deb Kelch from Finished Well Health Coaching, and you know what time it is. Let's do it. So today I thought I would use up that leftover fish from a previous episode. Since I discovered that you can roll it out, I'm going to make my variation of sushi, but I don't like raw fish, so I'm going to cook mine. Let's check it out. Here we go. Okay, let's see. We have some fish left over. Let's see, we want something green. We have some Brussels sprouts. Let's take a look in the pantry. What do we have here? Rice with bone broth. Yeah. Now back to the fridge. How about that? Yeah. Mushrooms. So let's go over what I found. I found some Alaskan pollock, something green. We have Brussels sprouts. We have mushrooms. We have goat cheese. And we have rice cooked in bone broth. I've never used this product before. It looked interesting. It's got collagen, looks healthy. We'll try it out. So I got my sauce pot out. I'm gonna open up the rice and pour it in. Now it looks a little dry. I wasn't sure what to expect when I opened this because the instructions do not say to add water. It just says to simmer on low heat. What I'm going to do, since I have some bone broth already, I'm going to add some bone broth and simmer. So I'm going to put a lid on my pot. And while that's simmering, I'm going to come over here get my fish. Let's see. I'm gonna chop up some of these Brussels sprouts. I have here a mini chopper. I think I'll use it for the Brussels sprouts. Put them here. Let's see. I'm going to chop these up. There, you can see it. Looks kind of like coleslaw. That was the goal. Now, I'm going to take that. I'm going to pour that in the bowl. Oops, we don't want that. And now, I'm going to chop some mushrooms. I thought about using egg, but I have a lot of mushrooms, so I think I would just use those up. One more. Once again, we'll chop these up. And that's what it looks like. Put it in the bowl. Now I'm just waiting on the rice. Let's see how it's doing. Yeah. That looks good. The rice is already pre-cooked. Let's go back over here. I'm going to roll it out like this. And I'm going to open the goat cheese. I'm going to spread some out here. Put a layer of it. I have no idea how this is going to turn out. I've never done this. That's why it's called cooking on the fly. This has got the consistency of cream cheese. So I thought it would be a nice texture. I'm going to try to spread it out if it'll cooperate. That's better. Now I'm going to take some rice And I'm gonna spoon it right on here. Along with my mixture of mushrooms and Brussels sprouts. I'm going to turn the heat off of my rice and I'm going to roll this up. Ooh, we'll see how this works. There. There's one. Let's make another one. Now I'm not sure if I'm going to leave this intact or if I'm going to slice it up into pinwheels. You could do whatever you like. Maybe I'll try both and see what turns out the best. Now I'm running out of room here. So what I'll do, got my pan. And I'm going to put a little bit of butter and heat it on low. I'm going to put one of these. Let's melt this up. You can see I got my fish wraps here. Now I'm going to take these and put them in the pan. I'm going to cook these for about 5 minutes. I'm going to turn these over. I got my plate ready. Turn off the heat. Now I'm going to take my leftover mixture that's in the bowl and I'm going to use it as a garnish. I also found a lime wedge. It's a nice touch. I'm ready to eat.